attached these brackets to the end at the top on both sides, and because it's a one-piece unit, it's real sloppy, so I use wide tape to hold it in place as I work it into the fender. And it's a good idea to support it with something too when you're trying to put it on. Once the front nose is set out, there might be a little bit of a bind along the bottom of it. Just push it down under the steel bumper reinforcement. There's enough play where you can do that. It'll give it a nice snug fit. And line it up. Push the reinforcement through the fender. I tape the reinforcement to the fender so it won't be wiggling around when I put it on. Hold it pretty good. The top two bolts on both sides, and then you can remove the tape. A 10mm bolt. Top. And it might have to be persuaded with a hammer and a screwdriver to move. But there are two bolts, one on each reinforcing bracket. Make sure when you move the bracket it's not pushing on the fiberglass nose. It should slide right underneath it. When the other two bolts are added and bolted on tight on both sides, you have a section underneath with 3 holes. Just drill up into the bottom of the nose and put the little bolts into it. Once that's done, the front nose is bolted on and it should be real tight. Now the next thing is now it's time to check the fit of the headlight doors and the hood. The headlight doors can be adjusted in several different positions. There are 4 bolts that hold this headlight assembly onto the car, and all the bolts can be loosened up and the headlight assembly can be maneuvered around for a perfect fit. Once that is done, you can put the headlights down. Now check the fit around the front of the headlight door with the front nose and with the fender. This one's a little low, so I'll adjust it from the front. The one on this side looks pretty good. Now check the fit of the hood along the headlight doors and the nose. Do not want the hood to hit the front nose. It's a real good fit along the front. There's no gap here with the headlight door, but I can take the whole assembly back. I'm not worried about that. And the hood can be adjusted to come down even further to be more flush with the front nose. Do the same thing. This one needs to be raised up just a little bit. If you have to, you can shim this up with a washer. The fender can be loose enough to be pulled out a little too. And there are also bolts that hold this door on. And that's another spot of adjustment. Now, check to make sure they go up and down without rubbing on anything. Yeah, they seem to have a pretty good fit. Now I'd like to check the hood. And carefully close it. And it has a real good fit. So the front nose is installed, and if you don't have access to a body shop, which most people don't, just take it to a body man and have him sand it and paint it.